from our balcony. There's the ocean. You can see Beck and Dennis somewhere. There they are. Wave at Beck and Dennis. And that's the view over there. Dennis says that's Molokai. I don't know. Maybe it is. I can't trust him. But who knows. And then it gets a bit sunny over here. And then we see the view from the other side of the balcony. That's our view this way. And then if you look straight down, it's the ocean. See? Doo-doo-doo-doo. There's Dennis and Beck again, having a swim. And that's the people downstairs by the pool. Here they come, the explorers. And then you look inside our room.